In this video, we are going to learn that how to fix the specified domain either does not exist or could not be contacted or the naming information cannot be located. So let me guide how to fix this problem. First of all, you can support me by liking my video and subscribing my channel. Let me guide. So moving to the solution, you have to just open your control panel. Note one thing, that this method is workable for the Windows 10 and 11 as well. You have to just select here the category option, and then now you have to click on the network and the internet option here. Just tap to open it. After that, you have to just click on the network and the sharing center option here, and now this type of the interface will open for you. Click on the change adapter setting and right click on the Wi-Fi option and then click on the properties option here. Now you have to just double click on the internet protocol version 4, and here you have to just turn on this option. Choose the following DNS server, and after this turn on this option and then press OK. A new pop-up will be open for you which is starting to detecting your problem. Then you have to wait for some time. This detection may take about 3 to 4 minutes, so you have to be patient. After this, you can see that the troubleshooting could not identify the problem. Then just click on the close and close all of these windows. After doing so, you have to just restart your PC one time. After restarting, your problem will be fixed. I hope this video will be helpful for you. For more information, you can visit my website whose link I have shared in this video's description. So give this video thumbs up and also subscribe my channel. Let me guide.